Jingle balls, jingle all the way. Boom, what's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a fantastic day. I am hungry and going to get some lunch. This is a video I've attempted before and failed miserably because I didn't know that it was only open on the weekend. But I'm going to Food Truck Row here in Temple, and I'm gonna check it out. I've heard there's some dang good food up there, so we're gonna go check it out. Also, if you notice, I do have my jacket on. By the way, I got this jacket at a yard sale, and these gloves too. And I don't think, let's see, I think I paid 25 bucks for the jacket and like 5 bucks for these thermal gloves. They're definitely helping today because the current temperature is 59 degrees. I know all y'all up north are like, woo, you know. It's cold for us, trust me. And you know it's cold on a motorcycle. Let's go get some lunch. Ooh, you know what? I need gas. Let's get some sex juice, as Baker X Derrick says. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you know you want it. By the way, while we're heading into downtown Temple, this video will likely come out on Christmas Eve. So either way, I would like to wish each and every one of y'all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I do have a cold, so I may sound a little funny and I may cough a little bit here, guys, because a lot of y'all know me getting anything is not good. And it has moved into my lung, the one that works. So, it's been a heck of a time, although I think I'm on the downside of it. I am feeling better today, but it's been rough. And no, it ain't corona, it's just a cold. But like I said, most of y'all know the deal with me getting sick, any kind of sickness is not good. And there's a couple times where I thought I was going to have to go to the emergency room. Kid you not. But feeling better now, pretty much on the downside of it. Yay, let's go get some lunch. I am hungry. Now, let's see if I can find it again. It ain't like hard getting lost in downtown Temple. Yep, I believe this old man's going to start thinking I'm following him. I believe it's down this way. Nice Jeep. Is it closed up? Are you kidding me? They said open till 7 p.m. today. One of them, a couple of them are open. Okay. Let's find out. Okay, there's a couple of them open, but I can't park here. I don't care. The barber shop ain't open probably. Let's see what it says here. Might be open. I don't think it's open, so I'm going to park there anyways. Yep, it ain't open. right, let's see what we can find out here. Guess everybody's closed, except for one. That's just upsetting. I just can't win. I've heard that place right there is real good. Well, we're gonna go to Groovy Cheese. Dang, can't make up my mind. All right, how about that pepperoni grilled cheese?
All right, you got it.
And a lemonade.
Is it for you?
And a lemonade.
Lemonade?
Yeah.
You got it. All right, one pepperoni grilled cheese and a lemonade. $11.91, brother. 20.
Come, everybody else closed up.
Sir?
Why everybody else not open?
Man, we're trying to figure it out. They stay open during lunch a lot, and we're closed during the week, so it's kind of
Yeah. I came here one time during the week to try to make a video, and like, and then I looked up today. They said, yeah, everybody's open till 7. And I'm like, all right, cool. Nobody except for you are open. So I'm like,
yeah, no, we're trying to get out here full time. You know, hopefully by the next year we'll start doing it full time.
that'd be good.
Yeah.
Well, it ain't totally disappointing this time. One place is open. Look like he's saying they were open till lunch, and then, cause it's 3 o'clock. So. But at lunchtime it was quite chilly out.
You want that wrapped up to go, or you need it here?
No, I'm gonna eat it here.
All right, sweet.
Thank you.
All right, we'll get it out for you, brother. I
All right.
appreciate it.
Sit at the picnic table. Over here with the sun to my back. This is the pepperoni grilled cheese sandwich, okay? And it's got the pepperonis, obviously, and then several kind of cheeses on grilled sourdough with marinara sauce in them. Every bite just, oh, it's good. Wow, I mean, this is really, really good. All right, I'll do it just for y'all. Oh. Delicious. Well, that wasn't totally disappointing. Only one of the 5 food trucks here was open. They said they're all open at noon, but they're supposed to be open till 7. And I don't know why they closed early. But we'll have to make another video about this. But I got to tell you this: if you come downtown Temple, the Groovy Cheese, it's definitely good. The pepperoni grilled cheese sandwich. Wow, and they got something there. I don't know what they got, but it looks good too. And I ain't gonna go up and ask them. But if you're in downtown Temple on the weekends only, it's definitely worth checking this place out. Well, there you have it, folks. A ride in the downtown Temple to Food Truck Road for some lunch. A little bit disappointing, nothing major, although that sandwich was dang good. I appreciate everybody coming along for this video. I know it's a short little one, but the main thing is I wish everybody Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Be sure to leave a thumbs up. Give that middle finger to YouTube. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And y'all know how it goes. If you have served or if you're currently serving in our nation's military, if you're a firefighter, EMS, first responder, especially law enforcement, and if you're in the healthcare industry, battling out on the front lines of this pandemic and putting yourself at risk, we appreciate everything you do for us and the sacrifices you and your families have made. Ladies, flash a stranger today. Boom!